So welcome to all on the live stream. As you can see, guys, we will start after a few seconds because you and I can both of can see here. What do you think? This is fantastic. So I'm going to make the first trade. As if you are thinking like from where I got these Japanese candlesticks and what is these two lines. So these two lines are the momentum lines. As I can just waiting for the newcomers, those who are coming here and they will watch the live stream. So let's wait a little bit, and after that I will start to make the live stream. Already started, but I mean that I will make the new trade. So our first trade, as you can see, Gogoy is not here. Gogoy always came on the live stream. Oh, Gogoy! As just right now I mentioned Gogoy name and Gogoy came on the live stream. Welcome to the live stream, Gogoy. So before making the trades, I want to tell you some previous time. So Gogoy, I think you left the live stream in the previous time. Let me show you. See, I lost here 3 times. 300 I lost, 300 I lost, 800 I lost. So here I lost these amount, but in the end moment when I told to everyone like, okay, let's finish the live stream and I will cash out these or I will recover this lost money in the next live stream. So I just waiting that time, and hopefully in the end moment when I created a last trade of the 2 minute duration, I got profit and I make the 1800. The amount is still remain here. You can see 1800. 1800 dirham is still mentioned here because in the last time in the just finishing the live stream before 2-3 minutes I just make a trade here and you can see I got the profit. And why this is so important, why I make in the end moment, because I just want to show you like I can recover the money and I recover these 3 losses in just single trade by this. You can count by yourself. 800 or 600, 1400, and I have the profit 1638. So you can remove these 1400. Even after that I am in the profit of 238, and before it already I was in the profit. So let's start. Asia Composite. Oh wow, today gold is giving the 93%. Gogoy, did you check? It's giving the 93% profitable trade. Gold one. So I think we have to make the trades on the gold one today. Gogoy, are you listening my voice clearly or not? I can stop the music, I can decrease the sound if you are like feeling that you are not listening properly. So just tell me. Oh, that's great. You are listening carefully. So today let's check. We will get the profit as like previous time or we will get the loss. So 2 things will happen. Depend on the luck according to the timing. But mainly we have the focus on our analysis power. Like I am making the trade from the continuously from many times. So I didn't get any losses continuously, but sometime it happened. I'm not saying that all time whenever I make the stream. You can check the on YouTube, like some days I also lost, but I didn't panic about it. I just start and continue to making the trade. But I can make here Gogoy percentage. My gold is giving only 57% return. I think this is the as you mentioned, like there is the level. I don't know why, where is my levels are missing. Like I was passed out, I crossed 10 levels. I think there is only 25 levels, and after that it will start again because still I have the risk-free trades 26 number. Like 26 times I can make the risk-free trade, and after that it continue again because in the previous live stream if you see I was reached till here, till this 10th risk-free trade. But today I am just here on this 3rd level. So this is also depend on the like reason from where are you making the trades, or also depend on the levels when you will increase like but I'm not thinking about the level because I'm on the third level, and even after that it is giving me 93%. Someday I also see here like it was just giving me only 80%, so it depend on, I don't know what is the reason for decreasing this, maybe on the market alerts, that's why. So let's make, where is our Asia? See, go wait, did you see? Asia Composite Index just before like 2 minutes when I was speaking, it was 91% in the profitable trade, 91%, but it came down to the 89%. It came on the 89%. So let's check Asia Composite Index where it is moving. It is also moving to the downward, but here it looks like that it moved to the upward. Today I have to focus on the gold because gold is the only one who is giving the 93% as compared to overall these composite index. Only gold is giving the best and profitable amount, so we have to make the trade on the gold composite index. Vivek Vishal, welcome to Vivek Vishal. See you after a long time. Indicates strong down. Let's just focus on our Japanese candlestick. How much time we have? We have many times. So before starting, I was talking about this, like I got these profits here, after that I lost 3, but I recover all these 3 losses in just single one trade. So there is no loss. कुल मिला के बात ये कुछ लॉस हुआ ही नहीं, प्रॉफिट ही हुआ. No, it is notified when the chart reaches this price. So 3, 2, 1. Let's make. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. Here it's changing the direction. It is coming back again to the upward. So both lines are moving in the upward. Let me zoom, इसको थोड़ा zoom करते हैं ताकि डायरेक्शन का पता चल जाए. It looks like that it will move in the upward direction now because already it moved from here till here in the downward direction, but still it is moving in the downward. So instead of this we can check another indicator. Here it's also moving in the upward. Let's make a 300 here. Duration 2 minutes is enough, I guess, because this is just only 300. Like just for 2 seconds before I was clicking on the upward, but it came back to the downward, and here it seems like that it will just move only now in the downward and downward and downward. And we have the duration is only 2 minutes, so our active trade is here. We can check our active trade, it is in the loss because this is the composite index. I think it will be really a loss, so let's change our amount. Not 300, let's focus on the 800, and we will make on the on which gold one. Gold is giving the 93%. Asia Composite Index, it's better for always for me. Commodity Composite Index, it's still in the it came in the downward, after that it came back again in the upward direction. It is trying to move again in the upward, but here it looks like a little less. It has to be grown up in the upward direction, like it just have to cross our trade line, and it's crossing a little bit. It seems like that it is crossing. We have only 50 seconds remaining here now, guys. So after 50 seconds we will get the result. Like two things will happen. Maybe it will cross, or maybe it will come back to the downward. What you will think? This will be a profit or this will be a loss? Only 30 seconds remaining, guys. You can write in the comment chat that it will give the profit or it will give the loss, because here it is changeable. Like from the last 30 seconds it was in the downward direction, but in the after 30 seconds finish, it came again in the upward direction, and I can say it is a profitable trade because only 10 seconds remaining now. 9, 7, 6, 987654321 and balle balle profit. And see, if I stay just only 3 seconds, then it will give the loss because it came to the downward. But here it gives the profit, so there is no need to use the 800 dirham. According, there is no need to use the martingale strategy because I got the profit. If I didn't get the profit, then I will use the martingale strategy. So here let's make another trade. But here it is moving to the downward, guys. Let's increase the duration. 3 minutes and 18 seconds remaining now. Where it will goes to the upward or downward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is still moving in the upward, yes. Here it is going to downward, so it's good that we didn't make any trade here. Let's check our gold one. Maybe it's coming in the good direction, yes. Growing old like a ghost, I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. Live a life till it's over, but until we do, it's sleeping too. See guys, I make a new 3-minute duration because I just make it because in the previous when I was thinking that it will be a loss, but in the 30 seconds, in the end of the 30 second, commodity composite index gave me a profit. So I have like another chance to make a without thinking I can make the 300 dirham investment because there is no loss in the previous one and I don't care about it that it will give the loss or profit. It will give me the loss, then it's okay. Even after all of this, I will be in the profit, I will be in the neutral, and after that, if I came in the loss, then I will use the martingale strategy and I will increase the amount from 300 to increase it 800. Then I will make the new trade. So, but it looks like that it will also give the benefit because here we invested. I invested here, and after that it came very far upward. The next Japanese candlesticks also came very far, but here it is moving downward, so we have to wait. Still we have 1 minute and 50 seconds. Vishal, Gogoi, are you in profit or loss? Gogoi, I am in neutral. Oh, it came in the downward direction. So we have to still wait for the how much time? 1 minute and 25 seconds. Let's eat something for time pass maybe. Goga and Vivek Vishal. Write in the comment chat that it will be a profitable trade or it will be a loss trade. Only just 58 seconds remaining. Loss, but think be positive. That's great. That's really great. We have just only 30 seconds remaining now. Only 20 seconds remaining. Nine seconds remaining. So Gogo, you are right. It was a loss. But the best thing is that I am not in the loss like too much. Just only 2 days trade. Like I am already in the profit from the previous trades. But here I am just loss only. Um, Only 27. Yes, only just 27 according to the 2 days. So I think there is no need to use the martingale strategy here. Gold is not going like fixable here, it is also changeable, but from here till here, यहाँ से यहाँ तक बिल्कुल एक सीक्वेंस वाइज में गया था, मतलब इसने 1 सेकंड के लिए भी ऊपर वाली अप ट्रेड में अगेंस्ट में नहीं गया था कंटिन्यूसली। ये हम मिनट काउंट कर लेते हैं, 1 मिनट 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, मतलब 13 मिनट तक अगर आप एक बार भी कोई डाउन ट्रेड करते और उसमें मार्टिंगेल स्ट्रेटजी का यूज करते तो ऑब्वियसली आपका पूरा जो भी लॉस होता वो रिकवर हो जाता। Vivek Vishal, how much capital you have? 630. Vivek Vishal, bro, how we can contact with you? You can contact on the live stream. When I came here, you also came here. You can watch here. You can write comment. You can ask your doubts. Anything you can write in the comment chat. That's why I allow to message in the comment chat. The thing is that like when someone get lost, then after that they believingly like you gave me the wrong signal and because of you I lost. But the thing is that if you like follow, because I am also doing in front of all of you the live stream. See now here I lost 300, but I'm in the like happy mood because before it I got the profit of the 273, so there is no loss here. That's the main thing. Instead of losing your some amount of money, it's more better if you are getting like a little bit extra profitable amount, or instead of extra profitable amount, if you are in the neutral zone, it's better. Even after that you can imagine, you can think like, oh wow, I recover my lost money, I have still money, I can make the new trades, hopefully maybe I got the more profits. So that's why be positive, as Gogoy mentioned in the chat, like be positive, it will be a loss, but even after that just be positive. So I am still in the positive. Let's check which is the best composite index. After that I will make the new trade here. Euro composite index, it's trying to move to the upward, but it is not going upward completely. Apple, let's came down to the positive side. Yes, you are right. Guys, the main thing is that there is no need to like continuous make the trade like every each and second. It will like gives only losses. Maybe sometime like without thinking it can give the profit, but you can like wait when you will think like it's just moving now upward, and even in the upcoming 2 or 3 minutes it will also move in the upward or downward. That time you have to make the trade. Halal market exceeds 55%. Here it's increased. Which one is the gold one? Gold one is again came back in the profitable direction, like it is just moving in the upward direction. So here we can make. I'm going to make the 800 drum. Okay. It can be a loss, it can be a profit. Both things can happen here. But I just want to make the trade here. 24 seconds left. See guys, here I make the 800. Now it's like positive, a little bit upward, but it can come back again to the downward. But we have still 3 minutes. So let's wait for the 3 minutes. It will be good, it will be like beneficial for me if it's go back again in the upward direction. Just don't move in the downward direction, because I invested here a big amount of 800 and it is also giving the big profit 744. But here it is changing the direction and moving to the downward, so it will be a loss again, but it's okay, because I will again increase the amount from 800 to 1800 like these previous ones which I got here a profit. So we have to just wait here until the time will not finish, until we will not recover the lost money, until we will not be in the profit. So let's wait for the 2 minutes remaining, guys. Like if I make only just 1 minute duration, then it will give me the profit, because you can see also by your own eyes it's just moving a little bit in the upward direction. Here it is moving downward again. Oh, it came again in the upward direction. That's great. So guys, we have 2 minutes, 1 minute and 40 seconds. Till now it's in the profit, but we are not sure about it, what will happen in the end of the 1 second. It can change the complete direction from upward to downward, from downward to upward. Both things can happen in the end of 1 second. So let's wait. 1 minute and 20 seconds left only. Now how much time is remaining, guys? Only 1 minute. Only 1 minute. Like if I make this trade just for 2 minutes, then even after all of this I will be in the big positive profit. But actually I make the 3 minute duration, so we have to wait for the 3 minutes. In which 2 minutes and 43, 2 minutes completely finished, 20 seconds also finished, only 35 seconds remaining, and it is still in the profit, but it's trying to move to the downward. Go back upward, go back upward. Only 25 seconds. As I told you, like guys, in the end of 1 second it can change completely, or it can give the profit or loss. Only 15 seconds and it changed the direction, as I told you. 10 seconds only. 9. Wow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Profit. So what I told you. Wow. It was really fantastic. As I told you कि कुछ भी हो सकता है. Anything can happen in the end of 1 moment. So from like last 2 minutes and how much time? 2 minutes and 45 seconds it was in the profit, but in the end 5 seconds it changed the direction, and after that in the end of 2 seconds it come back again in our profit. So it was cool, really. Now I will not use the martingale strategy because I came in the profit. So again we will try our like same amount from where I started. So I started from the 300, and our 300 is finished. It's time to make the again 300. Guys, what you will think? It will come back again in the upward or downward? I make just only one new trade of the 3 minutes duration because here we can see these blue line and these yellow line both are moving in the upward direction, but they can change to the downward as right now they are moving to the downward. But we have still the time 2 minutes and 38 seconds, so we have still hope. We can wait because as I can see from here till here it's just moving in the upward direction. Sudhir electrical engineer, love you too, bro. Nice to meet you on the live stream. You came after I got a big profit here, but here it is looks like that it will give the loss because here the yellow line, oh, it's again changing to the upward direction. Yes, it's moving to the upward. Yes, it's moving. So, but how much time we have? 2 minutes exactly we have, the remaining time is 2 minutes. Let's wait for the 2 minutes. It will be good that it will come back to the upward and not go to the downward. जैसे अभी ये नीचे जा रहा है, ये बेहतर तभी होगा जब ये ऊपर की डायरेक्शन में आएगा. जब ये ट्रेड लाइन को जो 300 हमने इन्वेस्ट किया है उसको क्रॉस कर जाएगा, तब जाके हमें सुकून तो मिलता ही रहेगा, लेकिन वो प्रॉफिट बोली जाएगी, मतलब प्रॉफिट कहेंगे हम उसको. ये इन्फॉर्मेशन उनके लिए जो न्यू कमर्स हैं, न्यू बिगनर्स हैं, जो स्टार्टिंग कर रहे हैं, वह सोच रहे हैं अभी कि हाँ ट्रेड करनी चाहिए कि नहीं करनी चाहिए. तो आप यहाँ जुड़े रहिए, लाइव स्ट्रीम तब भी होती है, तब भी आप आइए, सीखिए, हमारा लॉस भी देखिए, प्रॉफिट भी देखिए. कुल मिला के जो बात आती है टोटल उसमें तो प्रॉफिट ही होता है. अभी जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ, ये जब स्टार्ट की थी तो ये स्टार्टिंग में ये प्रॉफिट हुआ था, उसके बाद ये 300 का लॉस हुआ था, लेकिन मार्टिंगेल स्ट्रेटजी का यूज़ करने के बाद ये 744 का प्रॉफिट हुआ. तो इसमें से जब आप ये 300 माइनस करोगे तो कुल मिला के ये इंस्टेड आफ्टर इस मतलब इसको माइनस करने के बाद भी 444 अपना प्रॉफिट आता है. तो एवरीथिंग इज फाइन. Only 40 how much time? 40 seconds remaining now. 40 seconds. Twenty seconds. 27 seconds remaining. It will not cross this trade line because the Japanese candlestick, these are the Japanese candlestick. These sometimes they become bigger, sometimes they are very small, sometimes very low. So this is going now again to the downside, so it will not a profit. But I will not use the martingale strategy here because I will not use this martingale strategy here. Why? Because I'm still in the profit. How much I'm in the profit? Too much. Like we can count 300 and 300, 600 I am in the loss. I make the 4 trades in which 600 I lost. And if we count our profit 744 and 273, just make it like 300 and 750, or we can say like this 700, 300 is 1000. So when you will minus these 600 from the 1000 dirham, still after that you are still in the profit. I am still in the profit of the 400. So that's great. So I'm going to make the another trade on the same amount with the 300. I'm not using here 800 because there is no loss still. Still I'm in the profit of the 400, so I can make the 2 times of the same amount. After that, if I lost 2 times continuous, then I will use again the martingale strategy. But right now there is no need to use the martingale strategy because I am in the profit. Let's check our commodity composite index. It's giving the 91%, but here it's also like on the same path. There is no difference in the upward, downward. Here it look like that, but it can be moved like from the continuous 3 trades move up and down. What about our Asia Composite Index? So our Asia Composite Index was moving first upward, after that downward, 2 for 6 minutes upward, 2 for 5 minutes downward. Now it came back again in the upward direction. So we can check our Japanese candlesticks according to the momentum line. So you can see here momentum line, the blue one is moving in the upward, this blue one is trying to move to the upward, and the Japanese candlestick is following the direction of the blue one. They both are moving in the upward. But here this yellow line is moving like it's not moving quickly as compared to the blue line. It moving slowly, gradually moving to the downward. But here it's also trying to move to the upward. Oh, it's cross. It's cross. They both are cross with each other. If you zoom this, they are not cross. But when you will zoom them, they will looks like that they are cross with each other. So guys, Asia Composite Index giving the 89 percentage profit today. So I'm thinking that avoid this, skip this, because here it's just giving 267, and here the gold is giving 93 percentage, which means that if I invest 300 here, then it will give me the profit of the 279, like approx 280, just 220 dirham less. So it's good really. So here gold is giving continuously to the downward. Still it's moving to the downward, but the time will came again back to the upward, so we can wait a little bit here. As I told you, there is no need to make the continuous trade. Another thing is that guys, make the trade according to your budget line. Like if you have higher budget, then you can invest a little bit higher money. But if you have low budget, minimum investment, then you have to avoid such risk. You can make the trade, but by a small amount, small investment. So even after losses, you have the opportunity to make the next trade. Like imagine if you have thousand, anything, any currency, you have thousand. In thousand, if you invest hundred, then you can trade 10 times, and hopefully, surely in the 10 times if you trade, then surely you will recover your money. But if you will invest just in a single word, single time, like all 1,000, you will invest in just single trade, and by chance you lost that amount. If you got the profit, then it's really fantastic, it's great. But unfortunately, if you lost these 1,000, then you don't have any money to make the new trades, to make your martingale strategy, so you can recover the previous amount. So that's why if you have low budget, low money, then invest a small amount, so you can make many times, several times you can invest. But if you have higher budget, high money, like you deposit so many, then you can invest any amount, whatever you want to, like. So here in the just only how much time? Only 10 minutes left, guys. So in the 10 minutes, I'm thinking to make the one trade, because I'm still in the profit. As you can see, you can count all the money, the loss money, the profit money. You will get the result in the profitable amount. I'm just feeling a little bit bored. I am thinking to make. I have to start a gym. Guys, you can write in the comment chat what is your like dream, what you want to do, what you like to do. So it like it just make a conversation, so you me don't feel any bore here. Like now I'm just focusing on the graphs. This time there is no like perfectly graph is coming here, so I can wait here for some minutes, and you can write in the comment section so we can talk with each other. But just don't ask personal questions like from where are you, where are you, where are you, like this. So gold is now movable again to the upward direction, as it looks like that. Only 8 seconds left now. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it has the 93%. But here it is, see guys, these both lines are moving to the downward. You can write in the Gogoi and Vivek Vishal, so they're electric engineer. You can write in the comment chat like which indicators or which oscillators do you prefer to make the trading. After that I will tell you why I just use only these momentum lines, only just one oscillator, why not several. Gogoi, bro, I have lost my capital yesterday. Bro, it's okay, don't worry about it. If you are starting, like as I told you, if you have a higher budget, then you can invest by higher amount. But if you have low budget, then you have to invest by the small amount. As you just write here, like I lost my capital yesterday, but if you look me, I also lost in front of you, in front of all the members, those who were watching here. These amount, let me open the full history. So these 800, 300, 300 I losses, but in the end moment I just make a one trade of the martingale strategy. Was saying to me like invest 1800, and I just invest 1800, and that 1800 gave me 1638. So because of this I just recovered these three losses. After that, from the today I started, and the first trade I became the like profit, you can see. After that, the second I got the loss. Then the third one I invested 800 according to the martingale strategy, and I got the profit again 744. So when I will count it, when I will recover the losses, even after that I got the profit of the how much, 444. After that I lost 300 because like I invested here 800 because of the martingale strategy. When I got the profit, I just use only 300 again. So now I am just using the 300 investment, as you can see here from the last 1 minute, 1 second guys. I am just explaining, but what happened here guys? I think nobody focus on it. Even I didn't focus on it. I am making the trade on the crypto composite index. I was making on the gold one, but I am making on the crypto. Vishal, do you have Instagram? No, bro. As I told you, there is no ask the personal questions because you want to contact. If I send my personal contacts, my WhatsApp number, then everyone just message me all the time. And I also want a free life, guys. Only 40 seconds remaining here now. 40 seconds now. 35 seconds now. And again I will get a profit, as you can see. As I told you, if I got this profit, then it will be a last trade of today, because already 600 I am in the profit, and now after these 300, 900 dirham are in the profit, so it's a good amount. It's going very pretty well in the upward direction. That's why I prefer to use the higher time duration, like 3 times. Just do one thing, like if we are using here the time frame 1 minute, then just use the 3 times in the duration of the trade. So like mostly chances to get the recover losses and get mostly time profit. Very excited. Thanks for understanding. You can focus on here. I ask you one question. Okay, so now I am not making the trade. I want to ask one question like which oscillator or which indicators do you use here? How many Vivek Vishal, how many screens you use for trading? If you focus carefully, then Vivek Vishal, this is only just one screen here, only single screen. Here I open, let me close. Okay, let me close everything from the beginning. Let's do one thing. I will give you this answer, but I'm just thinking that let me make one more trade, or I think they are enough. Okay, they are enough. Okay, I'm just explaining you, and after that I'm going to my home and let's finish this live stream. You can also enjoy. I will also enjoy. So let me close everything from the beginning. See now, when you will open your screen after deposit, when you are thinking to make the trade, you will see a simple chart diagram here on your screen. So this is just only one screen, as you can focus on here, only one. When I will click on these four icons, you can see the second number. There are several chart type here. So I am using this second number, Japanese candlestick. Simple step, Japanese candlestick. Just click on the Japanese candlestick. You will see this graph here now. The chart was removed and Japanese candlestick chart is formed here. After that, which oscillator, which indicators you have to use? So I prefer mostly time or almost oscillator. When you will click on the oscillator, you have to just forget about this right now at a moment when I'm making the trade, because I'm just using this momentum of the oscillator because it's very simple and easiest way to make profits, and those who are beginners, those who are newcomers, they are also eligible to make the profit. So for them, very simple step: MACD, RSI, stochastic, DMACR, Arun, BS, power, bulls power, CCI, rate of change, price oscillator, Williams percentage R, getter, average directional index, awesome oscillator. After this awesome oscillator, you will see here a momentum. So when you will click on the momentum, you will see on the screen two Japanese candlestick. So just click on the momentum. As I told you, you will find a here this. See, you will found here two momentum lines, blue one and yellow one. This is here. When you will click on the momentum, you will see here two parades. Parade 1, parade 2. Parade 1 contains the 14 number, parade 2 contains the 9 number. And that's why it has the highest number. Like you can also reset your settings, you can put the same number 14 and 9. So after that you will get a perfect measurement of these lines according to as compared with each other. So this blue line has the highest movable, changing the structure each and every second. It can move upward, downward, straight, forward, bend, tilted, anywhere. Like it's just change every second. But this yellow has less number, so it is also changed very less time, like very little. It will not change as compared the blue one. Blue line is quickly changeable, but yellow line is normally changeable slowly. As you can see, if you focus, the blue line has the rough graph, and the yellow line has the very simple graph. See here, let me zoom. So you can see there are several changes, zigzag manner, up and down. But here on the yellow line, it's just like a straight, like a wave, just normally changing there. And why is the main criteria why I just use here? Why I use here like only just these momentum lines? Because these Japanese candlestick has the greatest combination with these. When these Japanese candlesticks, like if you are thinking how we will know about it, like where the Japanese candlesticks are moving to the upward and downward. So don't focus on the Japanese candlesticks, you have to focus on the momentum lines, because these Japanese candlesticks are forming according to the momentum lines. This, and mostly 99% it is changeable according to this uh, blue line. It is my strategy, you have your own strategy. I will not say anything about your strategy, I am just telling you about according to mine. So you can see here, this blue line is now in the upward direction, it is also moving in the upward. Let me zoom this so you can see it carefully. See now, this blue line is moving a little bit upward, then it is also moved to the upward. When this blue line move to the downward, these Japanese candlesticks also move downwards. And when they will change completely direction, not direction, when the new Japanese candlestick will form. So after 1 minute, it will form a new Japanese candlestick, because I choose here time frame of the Japanese candlestick 1 minute. You can see here, this is the time frame. You can also change according to your screen, whatever you like. I like mostly 1 minute, so it gives the perfect Japanese candlesticks after the 1 minute. So this is the simple ways. And if you lost, then you can use the martingale strategy according to me, like you can see here. Gold is still 93%. So Gogo is asking, will you be back tomorrow? No. On the weekends, I also have the enjoyable time on Saturday, Sunday. See you on Monday. Okay. So bye bye. I mean, how many screen do you have in your setup for live streaming? This is the good question. I'm using here like two, what I mean, two screen. One on the PC you can see, or one is desktop, on which I'm just using the your comment section, so I can focus perfectly there. And here you can see just only trading platform of the Olymp Trade, so you will not miss anything from here. Okay, so see you again on the Monday. You can also enjoy Saturday and Sunday. Don't worry if you lost any amount. And main thing, if you have low budget, make a small amount. If you have high budget, make higher amount. So see you. Bye bye. Bye guys.